Tesla has used price reductions to exert pressure on rivals, and they have done it pretty cleverly. Yes, it has negatively impacted their margins, but Ford recently reduced the price of the Lightning truck by $10,000, and their profit margin is much lower than Tesla's. Thus, Tesla has some space. Subsequently, it appears that the supercharger industry will witness substantial growth in the coming years. We believe that the expansion of the ecosystem, which includes not just the hardware but also the ecosystem, is what has made Apple such a terrific stock to hold, which is why we enjoy that Mercedes GM and Ford are adopting the Charger. We still like the stock because Elon has demonstrated some intelligence in that area. Although I wouldn't pursue it here, I would add to it if I were weak. We're delving into the most recent information and advancements about Tesla's growth trajectory today. Interestingly, analysts who, around 14 months ago, had identified a great moment to purchase at $15 for the stock are now claiming that this is yet another fantastic time to buy. It is important for investors to pay attention to people who are directly involved in Tesla stock, particularly when making strategic decisions like when to make a buy and how that decision can affect the performance of your investment. Moreover, given that the price of Tesla's shares dropped from $213 to $177 just a few days ago, this presents an even greater potential for wise investment choices. The megafactory of Tesla, a force behind development and profitability, is at the vanguard of the company's expansion. Tesla's battery storage projects are not only profitable, but also have the potential to significantly reduce outages and forest fire risk. It is anticipated that these efforts will contribute significantly to the reduction of fossil fuels. Keep checking back as we dig more into these subjects and more, giving you the most recent information and analysis to help you manage Tesla's constantly changing stock and company environment. Greetings from Tesla Stock News again. Please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons if you're new. Now, let's get going. How did this expert arrive at the recommendation to purchase at $15? She highlights the recent news about changes to incentives in China intended to lower costs and increase demand, and predicts a quick shift in the market's focus towards other important issues. The specialist highlights how important it is. Even while this news is important, there are plenty of distractions that can compete for people's attention and overwhelm them. She does, however, emphasize the unstoppable speed of evolution. On a recent tour of the megafactory, which RBC arranged, the specialist saw encouraging developments at the business. What particular elements of this visit persuaded our expert to support the venture's ongoing accumulation of interest? Tesla's stock may be volatile, but it is a desirable investment due to its promising future, logical decision-making free from emotional biases, and existing customer incentives like tax rebates for the purchase of electric vehicles. Investors can position themselves to gain from Tesla's ongoing success in the changing energy market by taking advantage of these characteristics. A lawsuit alleging racial discrimination and a response to Tesla's Q1 deliveries are two distinct but significant factors influencing the company's story. Amidst the pressure surrounding a lawsuit alleging racial discrimination, Tesla was able to demonstrate modest gains in Chinese shipments in the first quarter of this year. This demonstrates Tesla's tenacity in the face of legal difficulties and highlights the company's capacity to manage complexity without sacrificing operational momentum. Additionally, Tesla's proactive initiative to improving passenger comfort by retrofitting the Model Y's rear seat demonstrates the company's dedication to both consumer pleasure and ongoing development. By promptly resolving issues and improving its product line, Tesla further demonstrates its commitment to producing premium automobiles that appeal to customers. Tesla's stock price will be significantly impacted by the firm's attempts to make electric vehicles more affordable, especially if the company can move past the hoopla around them and into reality. Investors may view this as another attractive entry point, particularly at the $15 stock price, which experts have previously indicated as a strong purchasing opportunity. In addition to broadening its market reach, Tesla's dedication to affordability and pragmatism also reflects investor preference for environmentally friendly transportation options. As Tesla persists in innovating and catering to the pragmatic demands of its customers, investors ought to think about grabbing shares at advantageous prices, like $15, in anticipation of a possible price surge fueled by heightened demand and market assurance regarding Tesla's sustained sustainability. With this event, it is anticipated that Tesla will continue on its upward trajectory. Therefore, investors hoping to profit from the company's future growth potential would be wise to purchase the stock at $15. Consumers are beginning to recognize electric cars, EVs, as viable alternatives to conventional combustion engine vehicles as they develop into useful everyday utilities. As a leader in the EV industry, Tesla has been instrumental in bringing about this change by demonstrating the practical advantages and possibilities of electric cars. This shift is reflected in Tesla's market strategy, which aims to lower the cost of EVs and boost their visibility in public spaces to encourage broader adoption. Tesla wants to expedite the shift to sustainable transportation and democratize access to electric vehicles by utilizing economies of scale and lowering production costs. Tesla's innovative approach to marketing and brand development is shown by its amazing performance without the use of traditional advertising. Rather than depending on traditional media for its promotion, Tesla uses cutting-edge tactics like the introduction of new models to raise awareness and build buzz. Tesla's emphasis on constant product innovation and utilization of state-of-the-art technology not only grabs consumers' attention, but also cultivates a strong sense of brand loyalty. With this strategy, Tesla will be able to stay ahead of the curve in terms of industry developments and sustain a solid relationship with its growing customer base, which will accelerate its growth trajectory going forward. This unorthodox strategy not only reduces expenses, but also strengthens Tesla's reputation as a progressive and creative business. Tesla has revolutionized the marketing strategy used by the automobile industry and shown the value of disruptive branding techniques by allowing its products to speak for themselves. Tesla's organizational competency and leadership are being discussed in relation to Elon Musk's management style and the company's decision-making process. Elon Musk's management style at Tesla is sometimes compared to that of a startup, with a dynamic and inventive culture. With this strategy, Tesla has been able to surpass expectations and reach milestones in the automobile industry that were previously unthinkable. Regarding Tesla's decision-making and commercial management of its vehicles, opinions differ. While some praise Tesla for its adaptability and risk-taking nature, others express doubts about the company's capacity to successfully handle manufacturing issues and fulfill delivery commitments. However, Tesla's leadership's vision and tenacity continue to be demonstrated by the company's capacity to innovate and challenge established automotive conventions. Stakeholders and industry watchers will continue to focus on the company's organizational competency and decision-making as it develops. Tesla is a forerunner in the automotive and energy sectors due to its unwavering focus on innovation and willingness to take on high-risk investments. Tesla continuously pushes the envelope of what's feasible, from creating state-of-the-art electric cars to spearheading breakthroughs in battery technology and renewable energy sources. In addition to propelling Tesla to the forefront of its industry, this unwavering dedication to innovation has encouraged the broad use of sustainable technologies. Tesla's focus on high-risk ventures, though, is not without its difficulties and uncertainties. The company's big ideas, like creating autonomous driving technology and branching out into other areas, come with dangers and demand a lot of money. However, Tesla has a history of bringing ambitious concepts to life, which highlights its capacity to operate in hazardous situations and produce groundbreaking inventions. Tesla's emphasis on innovation will continue to be a key factor in determining the direction that energy and transportation take as the company moves forward with its expansive goals. Tesla's shift in strategy away from a premium. The transition from high-end to high-volume vehicles has been essential to its sustained success. Tesla was able to establish itself as a premium brand that was associated with innovation and cutting-edge technology by first focusing on the luxury market. This tactic was quite successful, opening doors for Tesla to enter new markets and establish itself as the industry leader in electric vehicles.